Den. And I'm going to start with Adam Thompson, criminal defense attorney. What do you think? I think blackmail.
I don't really know if that's the case. I mean, you know, listening to everybody on the panel tonight, I think anyone who really thinks that this was just a one-sided kind of sexual escapade going on is missing the whole point. This is like one of these really bizarre sexual relationships. Seems like there's a dominant, a submissive, but when you have that situation, it's two parties doing it consensually. I mean, if you look at all the things that Jodi Arias supposedly did to Travis Alexander, slashing his tires not once but twice, going into his phone and stealing text messages, going into Facebook and stealing messages, reading emails, doing all these things, and he never once called the police or reported her or just said, hit the bricks, I don't want to see you anymore?
Listen,
and even worse, when you look at Jay, one other point.
You know what? May I say something?
Okay, hold on. Jay Thomas, jump in. Jay Thomas.
You know what? What I don't get is why didn't the prosecutor, who got all this information, sit down and say, listen, you've killed the guy, you've admitted it, and plea bargain for a 20-year sentence or whatever? I really believe that, as an announcer, it just gives us fuel for books, to have 3 months of radio shows and everything else. They should have made a plea bargain deal. She admitted to murder.
Yeah, but he might have been.
I think, hello, hold on.
No,
she was convicted of premeditated first-degree murder. Beth Karras, legal analyst, former prosecutor. The prosecutor didn't need to make a plea deal, did he?
No, he didn't need to.
Well,
the jury, 12 jurors, convicted her of first-degree murder. You're talking about a plea not for something less, but just to take death off the table. You know, that is
the what? Not that.
Attorney.
To stop spending millions of dollars on what looked like to all of us an open and shut case, and she would have probably taken the deal.
But you still have to take into consideration the viciousness of this attack.
Yes,
this was a very vicious murder.
Miguel. Yeah,
this was a very vicious murder here. I mean, the fact of the matter is she stabbed this man 27 times. She slit his throat. She shot him in the head to give someone the opportunity to possibly walk out of jail is really unfathomable to a lot of people just because of the fact of the viciousness behind this murder. I don't think there's any doubt that Jodi Arias snapped here. This is a woman who converted religions.
Now, wait a minute.
Quite literally bent over backwards for him.
If you're saying that this is the woman that snapped, that's the very reason she shouldn't get that penalty. I mean, that's exactly on its face should be clear.
That's right.
Look.
That's temporary insanity, isn't it?
Oh, please.
I mean,
she knew exactly what she was doing.
Hold on a second. But no reasonable jury is going to put a young girl to death who obviously has the mental illness issue she does. It isn't going to happen.
I agree.
Wait a second.
Totally.
Wait a second.
Totally.
Beth Karras, let's talk about the difference between legal insanity, where you're so messed up you don't know right from wrong, and having a mental illness that, well, a lot of people are borderline. They get treatment for it, they get help for it, they get medication for it. She clearly knew right from wrong based on the cunning things she did. And list some of them, because in my book I talk about how...
Look at her.
Yeah.
She's a nut. She's a complete and utter nut.
So what? Everybody
Look at her eyes.
Is a nut.
She's nuts.
Our prisons are full of people with mental illness. They are a danger to society. It is too bad that they're mentally ill, but they are a danger to society. This was a planned, premeditated murder. Premeditation means really it could be just seconds. You know, you've had time to reflect on what you're going to do. She did more than reflect. She plotted. She spent at least a week from May 26th until.
Does that make her any less insane? Does that make her any less crazy?
Yes, it does.
But
she knows the difference between right and wrong. She should never see the outside of a prison cell. Let's be real here, Jay.
This is a woman.
I think if we're going with Jay's philosophy, then he's giving the green light for anybody to come forward and say, I'm going to go ahead and kill someone and claim that I'm crazy. I mean, the fact of the matter is she still committed a very vicious murder.
There's very strong requirements that have to be proven to show that someone's mentally ill. And there's a Supreme Court case that says you can't put mentally ill people to death. If you produce expert testimony to show that they're ill to a certain degree, the Supreme Court said it can't be done. That's what needs to be examined. You don't want to be a society where we
we got to turn everybody down.
Have a certain mental illness to death. We're not that kind of nation.
The defense didn't even argue that she was guilty but mentally ill. Okay, they tried to say she was a victim of domestic violence. They tried to paint Travis Alexander as a pedophile, which we all know is a complete and utter lie. Okay, this is diabolical behavior. I think everybody who commits a violent killing is in some way crazy, but that doesn't mean that we can let them off the hook for that. We'll be right back on the other side. Travis Alexander.